Hello all. Save the Tooth campaign is a wonderful initiative by DentistChannel.Online and I'm glad to be part of it. A stitch in time saves 9. This is Dr. Siri, pursuing my post-graduation in conservative dentistry and endodontics at Sri Hasanamba Dental College and Hospital, Hassan, Karnataka. It is well said that mouth is the index of general health. Oral care is neglected most of the time and hence the dental treatment becomes complex because it is not being addressed at the early stage. First and foremost tip to avoid dental caries is by regular visit to the dentist. Ideally speaking, once in 6 months visiting a dentist is mandatory to have a check on caries or any other disease process in an oral cavity. It is very important to get the cleaning of the tooth done, that is scaling of the tooth, in order to remove the agents that cause decay or carious process, that is agents such as plaque, calculus, debris and any other food lodgement etc. between the teeth which cannot be cleansed by normal tooth brushing. Apart from this, a close check on your teeth, that is identifying any disease process or caries process or any discoloration in your teeth or any changes in your oral cavity at early stage can help in preventing cavities. So talking about kids, it is very important from the parent side to have a check on the oral cavity of the kid and to take the kid to pedodontist, that is who is a specialist in treating kids oral disease or oral health problems. So it is very important to identify the lesion at initial stages. Before everything, it is very important to learn the proper tooth brushing technique. Most of the patients do not know how to brush properly, do not know what is the brush, what is the bristles to be used for brushing the teeth. It is told that soft bristles are usually recommended for brushing the teeth. So apart from this, it is very important to use other aids such as interdental brushes which cleans the teeth, cleans between two teeth where the bristles cannot reach. It is very important to use floss and other aids in order to keep a check on dental caries. Without saying, it is well understood that between every snack, between every meal or as soon as we eat anything, it is very important to thoroughly rinse the oral cavity and then to flush the food debris which will get lodged in the teeth, because if these food debris are allowed to get lodged in the teeth, it will lead to caries activity. So brushing twice is a well-known fact. Saying so, it is always better to have a check on oral cavity, to have a general oral health checkup once in 6 months and have a happy smile. Thank you.